Hi, I'm Meteorologist Mike Mihalik, and you've all heard the saying, don't eat yellow snow. And that's a good idea. Don't eat it. It's bad things. But what about the clean snow? Your kids probably have eaten it in the past. Maybe you ate it as a kid. I'm going to show you that clean snow might not be as clean as you think. I'll get the very top of it over here. I'll try not to hit the bottom at all. And that's about as clean as I can get. So we're going to melt it down, see what's inside it. Alright guys, we're almost done. We got about 5 seconds left of our snow melting process here. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, same hot chocolate mug. And you'll see that there is some nice things, nice pieces of dirt floating around in there. It's pretty gross. It's not as clean as you would think it would be. So hey, this goes to show you, please tell your kids, don't eat the snow, even the clean kind.